Speed up the video creation process and maintain consistency across all your videos with the library. To open the library, select the Media tab and then the Library subtab. Click the drop-down menu, then select Create New Library. Think of the library as a personal storage space to save your customized media across all your projects. Any media that you add to the library is stored locally and is readily accessible from any Camtasia project on your machine. This makes it a great place to store frequently used resources like intros, icons, music, callouts, groups of assets, and more. To add media to the library, import it from your computer or add it from a project's media bin or timeline. To add media from a project, right-click on a clip in the media bin or a clip on the timeline, then choose Add to Library and give it a name. The clip is added to the library and available for use in any project. If you have a group of clips that you frequently use in your projects, like this intro, select them all, right-click, then choose Add to Library. Camtasia groups the clips together and adds the group to the library as one asset. To add media from Camtasia Assets, click the Camtasia Assets tab and search for media. Here you'll find 100 million customizable and creative assets, including titles, dynamic backgrounds, audio visualizers, and more. Double-click to preview an asset, and then add your favorite to the timeline. Customize it in the Properties panel, and then right-click to add to library. To use a piece of media from your library in a future project, just drag it to the timeline, or right-click to add it to the timeline at the playhead. To organize media in the library, right-click anywhere in the library to add folders. Give them a name, then drag and drop assets. To create subfolders, right-click inside a folder or drag and drop folders into one another. To share a library, click the drop-down menu, go to Manage Library, and then select Export Library. Camtasia packages all of the assets from that library into a .lib zip file. Send this file to a teammate, and they can import it by double-clicking the .lib zip file or by clicking the drop-down menu, going to Manage Library, and selecting Import Zipped Library. As you build your collection of libraries, use the search bar to find assets. To fine-tune your search, filter the results to show only assets from the current library or assets from all libraries. Give your media a descriptive name to find it quickly in the future. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.